Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another video. That's right, another video. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company I've reviewed several times. I fully support this company. This gentleman, the owner, Alan, is a hard worker. He makes these products and he does a fantastic job at it. We're talking about the Texas Beardsman Company. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Welcome back guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you for all the continued support. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company that I've reviewed several times and I will fully support as long as he's in business. He's got my support. We're talking about the Texas Beardsman. Alan has sent me a few products to review and go over for you guys, and including one of his fall scents that he's coming out with that it smells incredible. Before we get into the review, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that at the end of the video if you like it. Hit that thumbs up as well. When you order from Alan, the Texas Beardsman, he always writes a letter out, well, types it actually. I'm gonna go ahead and read that for you guys. It says, "Hello Patrick, excited to hear what you think about the products. Enjoy. I hope that you and your family are doing well and staying safe. Thank you for your continued support and the time, effort, and dedication you put into your videos. I truly enjoy watching your videos and grateful to have you as a representative of the Texas Beardsman. Thank you, Alan. P.S. Redwood Falls will be my new fall scent. Has not been released yet. He would like to know what I think about it. Before we do that though, we're going to go over one of his original scents, the one that he has on his line, and it's called the Tobacco Ridge. And being a big tobacco fan, there we go. Being a big tobacco fan, this stuff is amazing. I mean, not only smells good, but feel in beard is just great. I really like what he has done to his bottles, because if you guys remember, he started out with the standard dropper top, changed the labels around, and now he's got the waterproof, oil-proof labels, and he's got the, I can't remember what these are called, guys, I'm sorry. But anyway, he changed over to those tops, and I think I like these bottles more than the dropper tops. But anyway, this is his fall scent, and if you're not familiar with the ingredients that he has, it is MCT oil, golden jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, sunflower oil, QC oil, and the scent is cherry tobacco and bay rum oil. And how can I explain this scent without explaining every other cherry tobacco scent? To me, this one's a little bit different because it's like the perfect blend of the cherry tobacco and the bay rum. You don't get a lot of the bay rum, but you don't get a lot of the cherry. It's kind of in between. It's like the perfect cherry tobacco blend, if that makes sense. His oils are a little on the thinner side. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to drop it all over my floor. His oils are on the little thinner side, and that's okay. Oh man, it smells so good. Man, throw some in the beard. Sorry guys, gotta enjoy it when I test it out right here. And throw the rest on the tattoos. And the scent is just, it's such a great, nice cherry scent. Just the right amount of bay rum. It's amazing scent, it really is. And in beard feel, like all of his other products, feels amazing, makes my beard soft. I really like this scent. It's an awesome tobacco and bay rum. Bay rum used to be one of my favorites before I started my channel and I started using beard oils. Bay rum used to be my favorite, so I kind of get the best of both worlds, so that's awesome. And that was the Tobacco Ridge beard oil. Next, this is the showstopper. This stuff is amazing, and we're talking about his butter. I had a couple of different versions of his butter, but this one, I think it was the same This is the same as the one before I got. I'm pretty sure. The ingredients in this, let's see here: all natural mango butter, organic arrowroot, fractionated coconut, golden jojoba hemp seed, kusi, or kusi or kusai, sunflower seed oil, cherry tobacco, and rum. This stuff is freaking awesome. I can't say anything else. The other butter I have from him is awesome, but I can't remember if it was this smooth. I know it was smooth, but this is smooth. Guys, check this out. I mean, look at that. I'm barely putting any pressure on that, and it's awesome. Like, look at that. The consistency of it is just, I'm barely putting any pressure, and it's gone. There's no tack to it at all. Well, maybe slight tack, but there's no hold to it. The conditioning factor is so good in this. I mean, I've tried a lot of different butters, and sorry guys, I can't waste this. Okay, sorry guys. I've tried a lot of butters, and I've tried a lot of smooth butters. Between this one and I think 2 other companies, are probably the smoothest butters I've ever had. I mean, the camera doesn't do this justice, but I mean, it's so buttery smooth. It's just, it's amazing. It is freaking amazing. And that was the Tobacco Ridge beard butter. This would make a good nighttime butter. You throw it in beard, you comb it through. The next day, your beard is super soft, it smells great. The longevity, the scent, probably about 8 hours plus, I want to say. It's not a strong scent, but it's not a weak scent, if that makes sense. That's a tongue twister. And finally, what might be his fall scent, one of his fall scents, I should say, is called Redwood Falls. And this scent is like, you know, it's, of course you got your spices, you got your scents of like cinnamony stuff, and you got like kind of like flowery notes, but not a lot of flour. It doesn't smell like, you know, it doesn't smell like a flower shop. This is really good stuff. The scent profile lasts easy 10 hours plus. The ingredients are MCT oil, the same as the Tobacco Ridge, but the ingredients, the scents in this are clove oil, or I'm sorry, let's see, cinnamon oil, clove oil, frankincense oil, hints of floral and wood. And you definitely get the floral and woody type scent. It's a really good scent. I know this will be one that I wear all season. Like, for me, every scent is an all season for me, but this one I'll definitely wear a bunch of the next 3 months, since it being colder. You know, you kind of get that sense of, you know, warmth with that cinnamon, that's a little bit of spice with it, and to me, I think this should be a go. I think he should put this up on his line, maybe for a few months until after the season, after the fall season, because it's a really good one. And that's just my personal opinion, and as always, it feels really good in beard. And that was Redwood Falls. So I'd like to say thank you to Alan for sending out these products to review. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for the constant support, the watch time, the love in the comments down below, over on Instagram. Just thank you guys for all the support. I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be in the description below, including my discount for the Texas Beardsman. I hope you enjoy his products, because I know I do. Until the next video, guys, peace.